This recipe is brought to you by Pesci's Kitchen. Visit our website, www.pesciskitchen.com, to see even more great tasting recipes like this one.
On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take some sausage and peppers and make something delicious. But before we get into the video,
how about some B-roll?
Alright, to make this recipe, it's quite simple. We're going to start off with 3 bell peppers, but for demonstration purposes, we're just going to trim off this red bell pepper. And we want to make sure, the way that I'm slicing it here is I'm shaving around the white part. The white part is bitter, so we want to make sure we remove that part. And then go ahead, lay this nice and flat, use a sharp knife, and make julienne slices of the bell pepper. Then go ahead and add it to your bowl. And go ahead and start slicing up your sausage. Now, you can use any sausage, but Riley's not too much of a fan of pork sausage, so we're using chicken sausage instead. I've already gone ahead and thinly sliced 1 yellow onion. And then you're going to go ahead and heat up a Dutch oven or a pan to medium heat and add in your 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And that should take a second, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start browning up and crisping up our chicken sausage. So what we're looking for is a really nice sizzle. And again, we want to cook this chicken sausage to a minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And by doing that, we're going to make sure that we also cook out any remaining liquid that might remain in the sausage itself. So what we're looking for is a sizzle, and the chicken is just about done. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to lower our heat, and we're going to remove this chicken sausage and set it in a bowl to the side. Now go ahead and make sure your heat's turned down to medium and add in your 3 thinly sliced bell peppers. To that, we're also going to go ahead and add in our 1 yellow thinly sliced onion. And then go ahead and coat that with a little bit of the oil from the bottom of the pan, making sure that we coat every piece of vegetable so that it cooks evenly. Now remember, it's cooking, so if you need to add a little bit more oil, then go ahead. Add a little bit more oil to the pan. Now, because we thinly sliced everything and we're on a medium to high heat, we are going to cook these vegetables for about 2 or 3 minutes until they become translucent or they become soft. Now to that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning that was already mise en place. We're going to go ahead and add in our 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of fine ground black pepper and give that a stir, coating every piece of vegetable with those spices. This is also going to help aromatic those spices and release their natural oils by giving your chicken and sausage an Italian, authentic Italian flavor to this dish. Then go ahead and add the chicken sausage that we set aside before and remaining juices at the bottom of the bowl to your peppers here and coat every piece with goodness and all the love we just seasoned this dish with. Now we're just going to let these flavors mesh for about 30 to 45 more seconds and go ahead and serve it on a plate.
And then there's only one thing left to do.
taste this amazing goodness. It's really good. It's balanced. It's got a lot of good flavor. You can serve this over pasta, you can serve it over rice, jasmine rice, brown rice, whichever rice you want to use. But hey, if you like this video and you want to see more great videos like this, make sure you smash that like button, share this with your family and your friends. Join us next week for another awesome recipe just like this that you can cook at home.